Isang mapagpalang gabi po sa lahat at ang aking share lang po sa inyo na chapter na isang book sa Bible ay Psalms 23. Ayan, sabi po dito, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sakes. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever." Yun lang po yung chapter na mai-share ko po sa inyo ngayong gabi ito. At nawa maging blessing po ang mga salita ng Diyos para po sa inyo. God bless po, ingat sa lahat.